Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. So let's get started. First, open TikTok app and go to your profile. After that, click on the top right button. Then click on settings and privacy. After that, click on privacy. Then scroll down a little bit. Then you will find blocked account in the bottom, so click on it. Here you can see your blocked account list. For example, I want to unblock this account, so simply just click on unblock. As you can see, the account has been successfully unblocked. That's it for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel if you think this video helpful for you.